Welcome to 𝐍𝐈𝐅𝐓𝐘 YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of 𝐍𝐈𝐅𝐓𝐘. As you know, 𝐍𝐈𝐅𝐓𝐘 is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, VETRI meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, SOFA, Sonifar and Bombits. They are very powerful strategies and tools that are being used by us, which has helped not only 𝐍𝐈𝐅𝐹 but also its clients and many of our followers who have made money regardless of the market conditions. In every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video, click the bell icon so that you will get the notification, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. They also get the same benefit that you are getting. So before we begin, always the saying, market does not move on the basis of fundamentals but on the perception. Perception is nothing but the mood of the market, which is nothing but demand and supply, which is accurately captured by technical analysis. So a person who is knowledgeable in technical analysis, she or he will be able to analyze the market accurately, near accurately, excepting for unknown circumstances. Today is September 27, 2022, Tuesday. In this video, we will be discussing about the market performance, Indian market performance for this day. Bank Nifty closed 0.7% at 38,359.10, 0.7% down, while Nifty remained flat, more or less 17,007.40. While on the face of it, it appears that Bank Nifty did not fall much or Nifty remained flat. There is an inherent weakness in that. Why? I will explain. Bank Nifty is just 10 or 15 points. I think 16,991 is the 200-day moving average, slightly above that. Today it went below it, managed to go above it and close above it. However, still it is not out of wood. That's number one, because it is just 10 or 15 points above the 200-day moving average. Number two, it is below the Bollinger lower band. It could not go above the Bollinger lower band even today. It fell yesterday. Today again it could not go above that. That's the second point. Third important point is Bank Nifty today it closed below the Bollinger lower band, so which is very important. So what is happening? Now it is sliding along the Bollinger lower band. Another 3-4 days we will know whether it is sliding down along the Bollinger lower band or forming some sort of reversal and going up. But at least for tomorrow, we don't expect any big up move. In fact, we expect if it opens gap down, we expect if it breaks at the opening itself 200-day moving average, we expect significant fall not only in Nifty but Bank Nifty also. Which is why I tell small investors, please exercise caution, Okay, risk reward is always something very important. Be aware, cognizant of your risk and accordingly take positions. So that's on the Bank Nifty front. Again, as I mentioned, Bank Nifty closed below the Bollinger lower band. So again, I don't see any reversal that is happening. Hence, no, we cannot expect any magic that is coming in unless otherwise something dramatic happens overnight. Positive news. Normally, dramatic negative news will come. Dramatic positive news is very, very rare. Okay. Now let's look at the individual components. On the banking, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, SBI all fell 1%. So if you see that Kotak Bank is below the Bollinger lower band, HDFC Bank is going down, ICICI Bank is also going down. The only bank that is showing some strong strength is IndusInd Bank, which moved 1% along with AU Bank, and of course Federal Bank also moved up by 3% today. So overall we see a strong weakness in the banking sector, which is why the one of the engine which was firing is failing. The only engine that was firing is failing, which is why Nifty is falling significantly. Next is financials. HDFC Shriram fell 1%. Chola 1% up along with L&T Housing Finance and LIC Housing Finance. Manappuram up by 2%, IDFC up by 3%, while Muthoot had a big up move of 6%. So as I mentioned, the HDFC Bank, HDFC twins, they are below the 200-day moving average, below the 2021 close. So all these things are happening. Hence, we are expecting further downfall in Nifty and Bank Nifty. On the insurance, SBI Life fell 1%, ICICI General 1% up, SBI Cars had a big up move of 3% today. On the oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance up by 1%. Reliance in particular, people will say, oh, Reliance will take up. No, it opened, yesterday it formed a solid red candle, and today it opened a gap up, but it's just touching the Bollinger lower band. So we have to see whether it is a one-day wonder, or tomorrow if it opens gap down, we can expect a fall. So hence, like if Reliance falls, we can expect Nifty to fall significantly. So I don't expect fireworks from Reliance tomorrow. In fact, I expect Reliance to fall tomorrow, unless a very dramatic unknown news is coming. Okay. Consumer. On the consumer, Bata 1% down along with PVR and Trent. We have told about PVR many times, so we will not repeat. DMart 2% down, Page and Titan also 2% down. ABFRL, Asian Paints, Britannia, Colpal, HUL, ITC and Nestle all moved up by 1%. Though they all moved up by 1%, they are not having that kind of, they are not moving in, they don't have a strong momentum. Most of it are not having strong momentum. Hence, no, we will see one day up, one day down, one day sideways, all those things. On the automobiles, Bajaj Auto 1% down along with Motherson Sumi, Ashok Leyland 2% down, Bharat Forge and Hero Motors 3% down, Eicher Motor, Escorts and TVS 1% up. Here we have to see one thing. I have been telling that I have been telling for quite some time that that Hero Motors will go down, Bajaj Auto will go down. The reason is purely technical. But in fact, one of my friend called me the other day and asked, "What do I do? Hero Motors, I have a long position." I said that, boss, I don't think you will be able to make money in that. In fact, it is better to exit. But I'm not sure what he has done. But I cannot give range and other things, levels. Metals, Coal India 1% down, JSW, Vedanta 1% down, Tata Steel 2% down, while NMDC had an up move of 1%. Health and Pharma, Jindal Steel again, same thing. Every day I don't want to repeat. Pharma and Healthcare, Apollo Hospital 1% down, along with Metropolis, Dr. Reddy and Thyrocare 1% up, Cipla and Lalpath 3% up. Apollo Hospital, yes, we saw some good up move, but yesterday it fell and today it again fell. So we have to see how it closes the month, and accordingly we will see some momentum coming in October or November in Apollo Hospitals. In the others category, Adani Enterprise, IEX, Godrej Properties fell 1%, Adani Ports fell 2%, MCX down 3%, Havells, IndiaMart, Jubilant Food, Nykaa all up by 1%, IRCTC and Zomato up by 2%. Here if you recollect, I have been selling for the last 10 days. Adani Group is showing weakness. However, if somebody's has the courage, they can go short because Adani is Adani Group. So luck saves the brave. Somebody would have shorted, probably they would have minted money. And Adani Ports is in a significant downtrend. Adani, at least in the short term. Even Adani Enterprise, but one has to exercise caution, particularly with Adani Groups. With all these things, what do we expect for Nifty expiry? In fact, we are slightly lowering the levels that it formed yesterday, because if tomorrow it opens gap down, you can easily expect 1.5% fall in Nifty. That means easily 1% fall in Bank Nifty. Hence, no level can hold. And particularly, we don't know how the overnight US market is going to be, because Dow has already broken the June lows. S&P is just 40 points away, 1% away from the June lows. And not only that, Dow Jones is below the Bollinger lower band in the monthly chart, which is extremely negative. Hence, no one has to be cautious considering all those things. So, though we are giving the levels, but these levels are not sacrosanct. Hence, like please be careful. On the Bank Nifty on the lower side, it is 37,249.50. That is the August low. Should act as a support. We are feeling, we are not confident. We are feeling that can act as a support. On the upper side, 39,536.80 will act as a resistance. Why? Because that is the August month closing. That is the monthly closing. We have just another 3 days, trading days for the month. So hence that will act as a strong resistance. Nifty likewise, we expect 16,797.40, the first level, and we are not confident of that level because that is weekly middle band. If that is broken down, then 16,623.46 can come to the rescue. Why? Because that is Fibonacci 161.8 on the 60-minute time frame. if somebody asks, that also doesn't hold, God only can help. Hence, please be extremely careful, particularly when you are going long in this market. On the upper side, it is very easy. 17,354.10. Why 17,354.10? For the past 1 month, we are telling this level. When the market was in up move, we said that 17,354.10 will act as a strong support. Now it will act as a strong resistance. Why? Because it is calendar year 2021 calendar year close. Thank you very much. Safe trading. Thank you very much.